Can you really quit your job by learning affiliate marketing? Hold off for the answer for now because we're about to get into it.
All right, Rich.
I know you got a lot to say about this one because
Yeah.
this is something that really hits home.
It really does. My name is Ace Guzman.
And my name is Rich Guzman.
And so here's what we're going to talk about today. Can you really quit your job by learning affiliate marketing? You know, financial freedom and ditching that 9 to 5 is the ultimate dream. And it can be very, very tempting. But affiliate marketing is a legitimate business that you can do from home. However, it is not get rich quick.
No, it's not. So let's go to myth number 1.
Okay.
Easy passive income. Guys, come on, man. You're going to sign up to something and you're just going to make money from the sky, right? That's the way they make it look like, right? Easy as pie, right? Money falling from the sky, and you're going to start making passive income just like that. And the reality is it does not work that way. You have to learn how to effectively know what to do when it comes to the right skill sets to make money on the internet. It never happens like that. So if somebody ever tells you that it's easy to make passive income, do me a favor, run the other way as fast as possible.
Oh, I'll be running. All right. Let me go into myth number 2. Basically, there is no magic formula. Not at all. Doesn't exist. There is no one size fits all magic formula type of approach. You have to do the marketing. You have to learn the marketing skills, and you have to understand your audience.
Yeah, and if you don't understand this, that means there's no magic formula. There's no magic pill. There's no secret sauce.
No.
Okay, everybody wants to know that
Yeah.
one trick, that one thing on how to have those results. It doesn't work that way.
Nope.
It just doesn't. So that moves me on to myth number 3, selling to everyone. You just got to go out there and just sell.
Oh, yeah.
Sell, 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 sell. Sell to everyone. Everyone that you see. Everyone that's, in your audience, or if you're on the street, sell to that person too. The reality is if you sell to everyone, you sell to no one.
It's true.
Okay?
Yes.
Remember that. This is all about focusing on your target market, right? Give them exactly what they want, not what they need.
Okay. I love that. Here's the 4th myth. Okay. Are you ready?
Oh, I love these myths.
Believing that there's no learning curve. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? What the heck do we go to school for? Right? It's like Internet Marketing University here. You have to learn a couple of things, and not just mastery, but you have to learn them. You have to apply them day in and day out. So basically, until you become a master of your craft. So you definitely have to learn the skill sets. You got to understand content marketing. You got to understand these social media marketing platforms. You got to understand social media networking. You got to understand all the time and dedication it's going to take for you to really make this work.
You know, the people that actually make it in this industry,
Yeah.
they commit 110%. And even if you have a job, right? Even if you have a job, commit yourself 110%. Do one thing at a time. Learn one thing at a time, and never, ever, ever give up.
Okay. What's myth number 5?
Oh my God. Myth number 5.
Is there a myth number 5?
Yes.
Is there?
Yeah, there is.
Okay. What is it?
Quit your job right now and start affiliate marketing.
Oh, come on.
Okay.
Come on.
Quit your job right now and literally start affiliate marketing. Oh, you'll make money. You can quit your job right now. No, you cannot. All right. I took a different approach. We took a different approach. What we did was we said, you know what? We're going to have our jobs. We're going to make our money.
Yes.
And we're going to do it a little bit differently. Instead of spending money on stupid things that mostly people spend money on,
Pretty much.
we're going to take that capital and we are going to start investing in our business. And then when our taxes come in from our refunds, we're going to invest more into our business, right? Which is what we did. And you know what? It paid off.
It
because
did.
we took that capital and we invested, and it came from our jobs, right? So we used our job to fund our dreams. And now our dreams came true.
Yes.
You know,
Yes.
being on the sunny island of Puerto Rico, beach life,
That's
right?
right.
It's heaven.
That's right.
So
Okay. There is a 6th myth, though, Rich.
yes, there
You know what it is? Focusing so much on the commissions.
Oh yeah.
You know, a lot of affiliate marketers do this, and it's a tailed mistake. Okay. If you think you could just focus on the commissions, I want to make the high commissions. I just want to make the high commissions. You're setting yourself up for failure, because you have to learn how to promote the product that you are affiliated with first. Okay. And you must believe 100% in what you're selling. You cannot sell something you don't 100% fully believe in.
Yeah.
All right. So you also have to understand that you're a product of that product. So definitely learn as much as you can about the product, the benefit of the product, and then literally share that benefit to your audience. Not just worrying about just how much high commissions you can earn.
Yeah. Stop being blinded by the cash because it's not going to work out for you.
Okay.
And now, guys, the last myth of the night. And this one is a big one, guys. Ignoring customer service. One thing that we did when we came together, right?
Yep.
We saw this eye to eye. We said, you know what? We are going to provide the best customer service ever. But wait, you don't own the customer. You're just an affiliate marketer. You know what? We didn't care about hearing that. We treated every single person like they were our own personal customer. What is it that you don't understand? What steps do you need? What do you need help with? Right? Oh, you don't understand traffic? We got the traffic for you. You don't understand how to build a page? We build a page for you. You don't know how to write emails? We'll do the emails for you. As a matter of fact, we'll set your whole business up because you took action and you invested in your business. That means you told us that you're serious about your business.
Yes.
Now we are committed to you to build your business. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
We're going to build your business. You're going to take action. And now we just threw you off the cliff so you could build your wings on the way down.
Yes.
So you could start what? Learning and earning.
Yep, absolutely.
Yeah.
So, I mean, in a nutshell, Rich, affiliate marketing can be a fantastic side hustle while you're keeping your job. Keep that in mind, okay? And you want to focus on building a loyal following, a loyal audience of like raving fans, and offer valuable type of content on your social media platforms. And even with email marketing, if you're doing affiliate marketing, give valuable content.
Absolutely. I mean, that's really the key is when we focus on giving valuable content, we want to teach you guys something, okay? If you're struggling with particular areas in your affiliate marketing journey, this is why you come here to help, to know the truth, right? So when you come across and you start building your business and you start acquiring new customers, you know exactly how to really give the facts, right?
Yes.
Give the true secrets of what it really takes to make money online.
Absolutely. So my piece of advice would be don't quit your day job. Not just yet, especially since you just got started.
Exactly. And if you've been struggling to build your business on the internet and you don't know anything about funnels or anything about marketing in general, we put the link below this video that you can get started. It's our number one recommendation of what we use ourselves because we wouldn't really promote anything unless we're using it ourselves, right? We don't want to have just something that we sell. We want, to give you something that we use and we make a living doing it. Think about that, right? That's powerful. So what you can do is you can head on over to aceofrichpages.com or click the link below this video that we can get started and we'll see you on the inside. My name is Rich Guzman.
And my name is Ace Guzman.
And we'll see you on the next video.
Take care.
Take care, guys.